Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make the perfect crunching chin chin, the one even babies can chew. Here are the list of ingredients I'm going to be using in this video. I have nutmeg, salt, milk, I'm using powder milk, sugar, baking powder, eggs, and the eggs at room temperature, water, butter at room temperature, and here's the oil I'm going to be frying the chin chin with. In here I have 5 cups of all-purpose flour. To that I'll be adding my sugar, and I'll be adding my salt, and I'll be adding a teaspoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of milk. Feel free to use any milk of your choice. And I'll be adding my nutmeg. Once everything is there, I will go ahead to stir all my dry ingredients together. And then I'll be adding my butter to that. And I'll go ahead to mix everything together. So I will mix it till everything is well incorporated. Then I'll be adding my eggs to that. Then to that I'll be adding my water. I will gently be adding the water till it gets to the consistency that then I will transfer it to a clean surface and knead it just a little bit. The dough should not be too soft or too hard, just like a play dough, or just the consistency like your swallow. And I'll cover it to rest for 10 minutes. So this is 10 minutes later. So it's time to roll out the dough. I'll go ahead to put some flour on my surface, then I will knead it just a couple seconds, then I will roll it out. So once it's all rolled out, it's time to start cutting, and I'll be using my cutter to cut this. You can use knife as well. Be sure to watch this video to the end because I have another method I'm going to be showing you on how to make your own chin chin. You can also cut the chin chin to any shape of your choice, but this is the famous shape we usually cut it. Next, I'll be checking if the oil is hot enough. So it's time to start frying the chin chin. So once the chin chin is in there, do not stir, just leave it to separate by itself before stirring it. And I'll be frying this chin chin till it is golden brown. Once the chin chin is golden brown, you will know that it's ready. Always take out the chin-chin a shade to the shade that you're looking for, because the chin-chin will continue to be brown even when it's out of the oil. Next is the second method. So get a spray bottle and put some oil in a spray bottle. Then you spray the oil in a pan and transfer the chin-chin into the pan. Spread the chin-chin out. And spray it with some oil again. And I'll be baking this on 350 degrees for 15 minutes. And this is what the chin-chin looks like when it's ready. So the chin-chin is ready. This is the fried one, and here is the baked one. And once the chin-chin cool down, all you need to do is store it in an airtight container, and the chin-chin will be good for 3 months. And you can also save it in the freezer, and it will be good for up to 6 months. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and God bless you all. Bye.